Alright, you guys, I made it inside Costco. So right here up front ends the 22nd of February, 1679. This is only a 78 load though, so you know. Palmolive is $6.49, ends on the 22nd. Right next to me, $13.99. Your limit will be 2. Okay, 32 count, $20. We have a Brookie bar, pecan caramel, wild berry, and macaroon madness bar. Okay. This is 20, and over here, look, I just noticed they're heart shaped. 10.
Are they full with something? They look like they got a cream in them.
They're heart filled with chocolate, raspberry filled with raspberry, and butter. Yeah, butter is still chocolate. Interesting. These are 10. And $15 for strawberries. These look really yummy, and salted caramel is 24. And you know what, if you know somebody who loves their dark chocolate with ganache right here, 10 bucks. There you go. Instead of a Valentine heart, chocolate ganache, $10. And that will come in handy. Chomps, they have a new one here, jalapeno beef stick, $18.99, all stick without the ick. That's what it says right here. Let's see, 10 grams of protein, 100 calories. With their jalapeno. I haven't tried the jalapeno one though. $13.49, you guys. Woo! For a 24 ounce. You also could find this in Home Goods. And you guys, the food in Home Goods, they're pretty good. They're like snack foods that you can't find anywhere. And a lot of people like try to make fun of it, like I would never buy it. I was kind of like that too, but a lot of it is actually very well. And yeah, $11.99. They're like those special types. Like, you know how people go to Trader Joe's? Because Trader Joe's to me is just more like a specialty store, you know, is what you like, not really groceries. Home Goods. So yeah, definitely try it. We have freeze dried berries. It looks pretty good too. Triple berry, nothing artificial, but yeah, it says brands over there. And Crave chimichurri, grass fed, $14.49. You get 12 in here. Protein, 8 grams of protein. $13.89 for the Tim Tam original cookie. You get 66 in here. New Bobos. We have cherry pie oatmeal pie bars and 13 apple oatmeal pie bars. Oh, that looks pretty yummy. Mango cakes, and you know they're individually wrapped. These are $10. They're handing out samples today at Pocky, which is kind of funny. Pocky is a sample, $10.49. 1 stick a piece. Do they give you? Yeah, okay, yeah, I was gonna say that. All right, they still need a 1-up Sam's Club, because Sam's Club gives you a whole thing. Yeah. $13.79. Organic soft baked bar. Once Upon a Farm. Is that Once Upon a Farm? Is that Jennifer Garner's thing? You get 10 apple and sweet potato and spinach, 10 strawberry and pumpkin beet. Okay, sometimes you can't taste it, and they're toddlers. They're not really gonna know.
Have you seen the baby whenever they eat something they don't like? Their face turns into bitter beer face from those Keystone commercials. They do not like it.
Big bars. Okay, you have blueberry and raspberry. These are $14.49. Made in the USA, plant-based, no artificial dyes or flavor, peanut-free, no high fructose corn syrup. Magic Spoon protein pastries. You have cinnamon, a brown sugar, and 6 frosted strawberry. These are 18. 11-gram protein per pastry, 6 grams of fiber per pastry, and 2 grams of added sugar. This has sunflower oil in it and palm oil. See, that's what I don't like about this so-called healthy like cereal and stuff. It still has bad stuff in there. Flowers. Okay, the vase arrangement is $25.99. Oh, it smells so good. $17.99 for premium, which I want to say this might be premium. I'm not too sure. Does this come with chocolate? It says Ghirardelli chocolate heart assortment. There's no way this is $16.49. This is $16.49. Did this go up in price? Okay, that's kind of crazy. I never knew that, if it did. But here's all the prices right here. This Ghirardelli is $16.49 now? What's over here? Super fruit spread. $8.79, which is going to be this one right here. $7.79. You get 2 in here on the 2-pack. This one ends on the 22nd. 3 cans inside. What is this one?
Tuna and olive oil.
Fish wife. $14.49.
Fish wife. And that would what Hank's dad's always calling his ex-wife. Oh, fish wife. On King of the Hill.
Spicy olive oil and spicy olive oil. That's kind of cool. $14.59. And then the noodles right here are $8.79. Organic olive oil is $17.69. And of course the sauce right here is $6.69 and $16.99. $8.89 on the flapjack and waffle mix, ends on the 22nd. The next to me we have for $11.99 Miss Jones 3-pack protein chocolate chunk banana, 13 grams of protein. Sunflower cereal with roasties. This is the one I was talking about, you guys. It tasted like a box. Not even. This tastes better. $9.49. This was not good at all, but to each their own. But don't fall for it. I kind of fell for it with everyone like pushing it on YouTube on their grocery channels. They're like, oh, it's so good. No. $13.99 here. Protein granola, blueberry, vanilla almond. Alright, and this one's new. It is Korean sweet spicy protein chips. These are going to be 10. Chicken breast, egg white, chicken bone broth. 10 grams of protein per serving. Let me turn it around for you. Okay, I wish they had like the ice cream though. This is just 10 cups of flavored milk, which is $14.99. So it's like, I don't know. So cheese is still cheaper here in Costco compared to your grocery store. Like the sliced medium cheddar is $11.49. These are $14.89. So if you're, the cheese people, come to the bulk. $14.49 here, yeah, because this is only like $5.50, $6.50, and you only get like I think 10. You get 36 here, so a much larger size here for your price. I was like going grocery shopping and I didn't feel like coming out to like Sam's or Costco, and I'm like, I'm not spending $6 on Baby Bell or $8. It was $8.99. $7.99 for uncooked. Ball Out Jones soda is $20. We've been looking for this And now they have it.
I have to get one for him because he wants it so bad. I'm gonna get one while we're here.
Because my son's been looking for this and we have
He
not
wants
seen
the
it.
Sunset Sarsaparilla
So
bad.
20.
Because New Vegas is his favorite.
Kirkland right now is $14.39. This is 146 loads right here. And then next to me, $21.59. You get 104. $29.99 for solar mushroom lights. Here's what they look like. And $150 for the self-watering. And the yellow mum is $15. Okay, $21.99 ends on the 12th, which is a pretty good deal for two. I wish they had their hyaluronic serum though. Okay, Swagger, it is on a discount right now, $13.49. This one ends on the 22nd of February. So deodorant is on discount. Gillette is $12.99. What else is on discount? Lumi, I mean you get 3. These are the whole body deodorant for $29.99. And this one is new here from my Costco. $25. Ends on the 22nd. 72-hour odor control. Dr. Develop, aluminum free. $25. Hairspray, $12.49, ends on the 22nd. $33.99. Honey Deep Moist Shampoo and Conditioner. Made in Japan. Blends of honey for moisturizing and repair. Includes argan oil. Free of sulfate and dyes. Paraben and mineral free. This glass? No. And Dr. Groot Solution and Shampoo. Korean hair care brand for hair thickening. Now, don't they have the Groot like serum for your hair? Was it Dr. Groot 2 that a lot of people saying was pretty good? $47. And $15.99 here for clean dry shampoo. Alright you guys, that is gonna do it for this Costco walkthrough. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one. Oh wow, that's $15.99. That's a better deal than Target. This one ends March 1st.